I am really excited with what I picked up at Target. And of course, so is the cat. I also got a really cool surprise in the mail. I'll put this right here, we'll go over it in a second. I just picked up these 3 trucks from the Monster Jam Superstore. And the first one is Dancer, which I really like the green variety. We have Prancer with the dark grays. I like his color. And then we also have Vixen, which is my favorite because I like the blue and the gray. It looks really nice together. This is last year's Merry Christmas truck, which was Dasher. Now here is the famous 2021 Merry Christmas truck, Santa's Sleigh. Okay, next let's go over these Target finds I have. And I'm gonna pull out my favorite. It's the Treasure Hunt Grease Trap. I really like the dark colors of the truck. The tires is kind of a dark, greasy color. So I'm always glad to have another food truck. I also picked up Recreational, which is a cool casting. Has kind of a funny saying on top. Go outside and play, which is good advice. But I like the overall design. It'll be fun to see it race down the track. Finally, I picked up 2 of the new Series 3 Mystery Mutters, which we have Son of a Digger, which is a classic monster truck. And of course, I could not resist picking up the Max D Mystery Mutter, which we are gonna go rinse off right now. All right, first let's open up Son of a Digger. This truck has amazing tampos. I like that Mystery Mutter on the side. It has a purple roll cage and a light blue chassis. I really like that grille on the front. All right, let's open up this Max D. Oh man, that is an awesome truck. I like the silver body on it. Mystery Mutter on the back. It has a yellow roll cage and an orange chassis. These Mystery Mutters never get old.